For the step 1, you're gonna need a cushion, 2 straight pins, scissors of course, paw beads, cutesy little beads that fit the paw beads, as well as some thread that fit the paw beads. So to kick things off, secure a pin right into a pillow, cut a piece of thread and fold it in half. So here is the loop and hook it onto the pin. Then place the second pin right after the first one, maybe like that, and make a knot. So you've got the loop on top. Now for the beads. Thread on the paw bead first, and tie a knot underneath it. Thread the little bead next, 2 on each side, and tie a knot. Repeat it once more. Paw bead, tie a knot, 2 beads on each side followed by a knot, and complete it with the last paw bead. Tie a knot underneath it, then look closely. Grab your right strand, wrap it around the left strand, keep it there. Then grab your left strand, wrap it around the right strand from behind, and make it face down also. Then pull both of them. You have to get one end higher than another, so then trim the ends so they are even. And the first part is complete. For the step 2, you're gonna need white yarn, accent color yarn, smaller pom-pom maker, and scissors. And also prepare a piece of paper and a pencil because you're gonna need it. So this is gonna be the way you make all 5 pom-poms. So wrap the accent color around the first arch while counting the number of turns you make. It is done when 2/3 are full and it's packed pretty densely. Add the white color, also counting. On the other arch, you should make the total of the turns you made on the first arch. So, in my case, it's 100 on this side, 50 plus 50 on that one. Then just make your pom-pom as you would usually do that. And when all 4 little pom-poms are ready, it's time for my favorite part, trimming. For the step 3, you're gonna need the same yarn and a bigger pom-pom maker. Then a cushion, 2 straight pins, thread you used for your charms, a piece of paper with a pencil, paw bead, scissors, and of course charms. Wrap the accent color around the first arch while counting the number of turns you make. So here, for example, I made 125. Then add the white color covering the whole arch on top of that, also counting. So for example, I made 130 turns. On the second arch, we should make a total of these turns. So tie a knot as usually, but while keeping the pom-pom maker in place, put it aside. Prepare your cushion and a piece of this thread, fold it in half and hook it. So place your second pin much lower and tie a knot. Thread a paw bead and tie a knot underneath it. After that, move your pillow a little bit further below and tie another knot. So this is what you got. Loop, bead, little loop with a knot, and two tails. Now you have to wrap it around your big pom-pom and make sure that your loop with the bead are going to be on top of it, and just tie a knot. Now you can get rid of the pom-pom makers. Just in case, you can use a hot glue gun to secure this knot and trim it. And when you are satisfied with its shape, assemble it using a hot glue gun. After that, we are ready to add some charms. So how you do it? Wrap around the loop and insert your beads through the loop. Here is one charm. This way you can always easily take off your charms